Welcome to Kedre Tech Channel. In this video, we're exploring the power of advanced CSS, the tools that make modern websites look and feel amazing. Let's start with CSS Grid and Flexbox. These layout systems give you full control over how elements are placed on the screen. Whether it's a complex dashboard or a responsive photo gallery, Grid and Flexbox make it clean and easy. Now, meet CSS Variables. These let you define colors, spacing, or font sizes once and reuse them across your style sheet. It's like giving your code superpowers for consistency and easier maintenance. CSS animations and transitions bring life to your website. Buttons can smoothly change color on hover, loaders can spin, and entire sections can fade in as you scroll. Speaking of scroll, there's scroll snapping and sticky positioning. You can create slick carousels or keep navigation bars pinned while users explore your content. With media queries, your site adapts to every device from mobile phones to desktops. Combine this with Clamp and your typography becomes truly responsive. And don't forget pseudo-elements like : before and : after. These add extra design layers without touching your HTML, perfect for highlights, icons, and creative effects. Finally, explore custom fonts, backdrop filters, and even dark mode toggles using the Prefers color scheme media query. CSS is no longer just about styling, it's about storytelling. When used well, it creates experiences that are beautiful, interactive, and user-friendly. If you're ready to take your CSS to the next level, keep experimenting and exploring. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design magic.